Hello guys and welcome everyone. If you have a video and you want to give it a completely new visual style without re-editing everything from scratch, OpenArt AI can help. In this video I'll show you how to restyle a video using OpenArt step by step. And also a quick reminder before we begin, you'll find a direct link to OpenArt AI in the video description, so you can open it now and follow along. Okay, so as an intro, let me explain what video restyling means on OpenArt. So restyling of the video works by applying AI-generated visual styles to your video frames. So instead of changing the content of the video, OpenArt AI changes how it looks. You can use this for cartoon or anime style videos, cinematic or painterly looks, stylized social media content and creative intros, reels and shorts. The motion stays the same, the visual style changes. Alright, and before we begin, make sure to prepare your video, make sure it's ready. My video is this one, it's just a free video from Pexels that I will use for this particular case. And the best practices are short clips work best. Stable footage gives cleaner results. Simple backgrounds improve consistency. Export your video in a common format, like MP4, before moving on. Let me actually check what is mine. Yeah, mine is MP4, 24 FPS. Brilliant. Okay, and in order to start, let me just scroll up. You do that as well. And in order to begin, you hover your mouse over the video, drop down right over here, and you choose video to video. So why this one? Because we're not creating any other preset. For example, image to video, we're not using that. We are doing video to video just to change it. So just choose this. Alright, and once you press that button, as you can see, we are taken to our editor, video editor. And as you can see, because I chose video to video, in our case, we'll be just modifying the video, exactly what will happen. And here, what do we have? You can select a model, which AI model is going to be responsible for creating or not creating, modifying your video. You can switch between them. As you can see, we have a certain model, and you can read the description. For example, Kling 01 has high prompt adherence and outstanding aesthetics. Let's just go with this one. Let's not change anything. And the next step is going to be, of course, uploading our video so that we can start editing. So just press on this button, press on upload, and let me choose the video that I downloaded. Here you go, perfect. As you can see, it's also showing a little preview. Also, as you can see, we have a optional reference files that we can upload. So for example, if you want to add some kind of objects or some kind of style to your video, you can also choose the reference image and reference elements. They will be added into your video and used right inside it. And once you type in the prompt, we will do it now, your video will include those elements. If you don't want to do that and you just wish to use a prompt to restyle your video, you can do that, of course. And now this takes us, of course, to our prompt. So prompt is our main thing and main setting that we will use to change our video. Prompts are pretty much just text that you can input here and tell AI how exactly do you want to change your video, or what kind of restyle do you want to apply to it. So as you can see, we can use text, images, or elements as instructions to replace elements or backgrounds. We will just use the prompt instead. So now, of course, make sure to understand and choose what you wish, how you want to make your video different. And this is pretty much the creative part. So you can choose a preset style or write a custom prompt. Example prompts, let me give you some. For example, anime style, clean lines, vibrant colors, cinematic cyberpunk look, neon lighting, hand-painted oil painting style, soft brush strokes. And also make sure to keep prompts visual and descriptive and avoid changing too many things at once. Okay, so for example, I manually inserted this prompt right over here. You can read it if you wish. I'm going to change my video now. And also, guys, don't forget that we have credits in here. that are deposited to your account after you get some subscription. As you can see, I have almost 4,000, and you have a summary of how many will be charged. In my case, as you can see, 400. So just make note of this. And also, guys, if you wish to, for example, narrate this video, you can just choose add audio right over here. Choose your prompt, for example, just say make a narration or something like that, and add a description of what's happening in the scene in this 10-second video. You can do that. You can add the audio and the voice. So the voice narrator and audio, maybe you can just insert some music or something, it's up to you. And now, when you're ready to create, just press on create, the turbo is on, and now let us wait for our video to be changed. And you will be able to find your end result right over here in the video section, so with our medias pretty much. And of course, guys, if you're not satisfied with something, you can just change your prompt after the video was generated and changed for the first time, so don't worry about that. If you need to revert some kind of changes or just change something, you can just type it in here and AI will do it for you. And once the video is generated and you're happy with it, you can just export it. I will show you how in just a second. Choose the highest available quality, of course, and download and save your files. Your restyled video is now ready for upload or editing. Let's just wait for this generation and I'll show you how to do all of this. Alright guys, so here's my video. The generation and creation took about probably about 5 minutes or something, maybe a little more. So as you can see, this is our video. It turned out pretty good, I would say. Got the road, traffic lights, cool effects above the skies. I actually wanted to say above mountains, but I said above clouds, but doesn't matter. Looks good either way. And now, as you can see, to download the video, you press download as and MP4 with audio. And also remove the watermark. You don't want that. There you go, bingo. Save that. And now if I open it up, as you can see, here's our video. So pretty simple, guys. Enjoy changing and editing your videos in here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.